Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to be learning how to turn in homework on Google Classroom. So here's the first assignment, and I got here by opening Google Classroom, going to 14 Practical Skills 1. For example, your class will be on your Google Classroom, and clicking on the class. I'm scrolling and seeing all my assignments. The best way to see where your homeworks are when you open Google Classroom is to go to the Activities or Classwork tab. And here, everything is organized. So course information, tutorials, class slides, and homeworks. Under homework is where you're going to find all of your homeworks. So I'm going to click on Class 1 homework. And this is the instructions right here. So what is your name, where are you from, and where do you live? So I see some of you have done some comments, which is okay for now, but how we want you to turn in your homework in the future is the following. First, you're going to click on the little press plus button. And it's going to come with all these different options of how you can submit your homework. And you're always going to click Documents. And it's going to be this little blue square. So click it. And that's going to take you to Google Docs. And Google Docs, it automatically titles it with your name and the homework. And what Google Docs is just a place where you can just type and submit your homework. So let's do the homework quickly. First, what is your name? What? And it's helpful to write out the questions in the Google Doc. So what is your name? My name is Sophie. Next, where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from New York. And lastly, where do you live? I live in New York. So now I have a Google Doc with the homework answers. Now that I have this, you're going to want to go back to Google Classroom. So there's Google Classroom and Google Docs. By clicking to create the Google Doc, you do that on Google Classroom, and then I'll send you to the Google Doc. You might need to download an app on your phone, but if you're doing it on your computer, on an iPad, it's going to come up in your browser. On your phone, you might have to download an app, or you can just do it on a browser. I recommend downloading the app. After you finish typing everything up, you don't need to do anything else except click Submit, which is the blue button. And it's going to give you a little screen that's saying, are you sure you want to submit? And when you see that, maybe check it over one more time and then submit. Submitting. And after you do that, it should have just like submitted at the top, and you're done with your homework. So again, it's better not to comment. We prefer you to do it on a Google Doc. And if you have any more questions on how to do this, let us know. But this is step-by-step how you should create a Google Doc, type in it, and submit. Thank you.